Hello, welcome back to the lab, but this is a very short and sweet video, so I can't do polls on this channel yet, but what I'm going to ask is, what do you want to see? So let's actually get the right pen out, Sam. So what do you want to see, everybody? So I want to know what you want to see from my channel, as well as what also I'm going to be putting into the channel. So if you have any input, such as tips and tricks for anything, such as Photoshop or Unity or other things, or any form of like idea, drop it in the comments in this video. And any new people to the channel, don't hesitate to actually give me a comment because you might actually not be interested in the channel now, but I might be putting things out because I do have a knowledge of Photoshop, a lot of the Adobe Creative Cloud, such as Premiere Pro, which I use to edit my own videos, um, and also some 3D software such as Blender, and I also use Unity, and I am a tiny bit okay with Unreal Engine, but I would need to look way more into that. But that's it for this episode. I hope that you can give me some insight as well, because I'd be happy to put them onto the channel. I thank you for watching. Peace out.
Yeah, I'm different. Nah, I don't fit their system. So let the match class that's a fact. Never backtrack. ADD's my life hack. Addicted to spitting rap. Angels on my back. Triple one, telling me to carry on. What's a meal? The evil one. Without him, we'd be none.